Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back. So I got a package here from Red Dragons. Arr. Got a Mike Hasty board. Check it out. This is awesome. Mike Hasty. This is sick. Check this out. RDS, black and white with the red and the blood. That is so rad. RDS Deck Hasty Head Chopper. It's got the RDS logo there. It says Made in Canada. Thank you so much, RDS. I really appreciate this. This is so rad. I ended up getting this because they had some sort of like spring park cleanup where you go to a local park, clean it up, and you send them photos, and they send you a free board. So definitely go take a look at RDS Instagram. And also, if you're interested, check out their website and buy some sweet swag. And then that way you're supporting Canadian businesses, as well as a skate brand from Canada. This bad boy is definitely going on the wall. I'm gonna have to get Mike Hasty to sign it eventually just to make it mwah. But you all know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace out. RDS, please sponsor me.